Hey Charlie, this is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a Midwest marketing agency servicing electricians. We got off the phone a little bit ago, so I just wanted to shoot you this screencast real fast to show you a little bit of what my team and I can do. I don't want to waste your time, and of course, I don't want to waste mine. So if by the end of this you found some value in it and would like to move forward, feel free to reach back and we can chat. And if not, no harm, no foul. So the three things I'm going to go over really briefly in this video are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. And I'll go into them so you can pretty much have a professional knowledge on it. So even if you wanted to go and do this yourself, you'd be able to make a bunch more money online to your electrical business and get higher rankings than all of your competitors essentially in your area. So the first one is going to be content. Content's going to be all of the words on your homepage and every page, of course, the images and what the images are saved as. And so like this image right here, depending on what it's saved as is going to determine if your site ranks higher or not. So if it's like, if electrician Findlay or construction Findlay is going to be a higher ranking word, to save this and then upload it as that word is going to help your site rank a lot higher. Also, when it comes to the actual content on your page, we do minimum 1,500 words of content so we can pack in as many keywords as possible. You want it to be a little bit wordy so it flows a lot more organically essentially. Google can kind of tell when you just pack a bunch of keywords in and it doesn't actually have a flow to it. It'll pretty much make your site on like a spam list and it won't rank it as high essentially. And so the next thing we're going to go do is go into citations. And so citations helps a lot with this area, which is great for you because in Findlay Electricians, when I search that, there's not a whole lot of competition other than the directories, which actually goes hand in hand with the citations point. So what a citation is going to be your business name. Obviously, this is not your business. Your business name, your business address, and your business phone number. That is one citation. And the more directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, BBB, Facebook, LinkedIn, the more directories that have a citation of your business, the higher you're going to be able to rank not only in this area, the organic listing part, but in the MapPeck area. And as you can see in the MapPeck area, you're not ranking in the top 3. Not that that's going to be a make or break, especially since you're doing well in the organic listing part. But this is the part that's been recently clicked because it's going to be the most local business area that a lot of people trust. And then lastly, let's get into backlinks. And so this site right here, it's called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. I pay for it for my team and myself around $400 a month. And what we can do in here is we can look up keywords and we can look up the backlinks and not only what your backlinks are, but also what your competitors are. And so as you can see, I was already in your competitors. So let's go back to their overview page. Let's go back to yours right now. A whole lot of information loading up. So as you can see, you have 4 backlinks giving you 3 referring domains, and that's pushing around 11 organic traffic per month to your site, which is not a whole lot. Your competitors, they have 385 backlinks stemming from 131 domains, giving them 425 organic traffic per month, which is quite a bit. So what a backlink is, let's click into it and dive into that. So a backlink is going to be a site that is linking back to your site or a site that you are linking to. Not all backlinks are created equal. So since you guys are in the electric and construction space, if it's linking to a site that's going to be like a Home Depot or like a localplumbers.com or like a stopflooding.com, something like that, it's going to have a lot higher trustworthiness in Google's eyes rather than if you were linking to like a McDonald's or like a Walmart or something like that. And so the more dominant backlinks we can get you, the more powerful your site's going to be in Google's eyes, and that's going to help it rank a whole lot higher. So just because the site has a lot of backlinks doesn't necessarily mean they're going to rank a lot higher, but if they have a lot of backlinks and those backlinks are very relevant to the space that they're in on their website, it's going to help them rank a lot higher, a lot faster. So that was pretty much it that I have for you. If there's any question that you have for me, please feel free to reach back. And I hope to speak with you soon. Again, my name is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.